What's up, guys? How's it going? It's Monday. We got a little less than a week till Bimmerfest, and motor's still not running. It cranks, but I don't think it's receiving spark. But updates on the car. Car is still on jack stands. All the fuel lines are run. Brakes are bled. The clutch is bled, but I think I need to rebleed that. I got the chase bays filler neck welded in. Still waiting on a crossover pipe that goes between this hose and the lower radiator. That'll come tomorrow. K Motors intake, although I'm going to have to remove that to pass smog because they won't even check it. Let's check for the interior. We got the Condor Speed Shot delete plate finally in. I decided to flock it, so it looks good. I like it. It's a clean look. Everything else is pretty much the same. I got my Brom seats in. Little sneak peek. Got door cards are in, and I showed the Brom harness bar in the last time. I did flake last week and didn't post a video on Thursday, so either this Thursday will be the pedal house pedals install or the door cards install, and then so other than that, I still need to put the drive shaft in, and I gotta finish putting in the gas tank, if you can even see that. Hold on, let me grab a light. Gas tank is currently being held up by one bolt's in and then by the jack stand. But yeah, there's two brackets I have to cut, and that should fit up nicely. But that's the update on the E30. I might do another update video midweek. Hopefully it'll be running, and hopefully I'll be able to pass smog, no problem, so that I can drive down the Bimmerfest on Friday, even though Bimmerfest is Saturday, but get a head start. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.